Hello friends, welcome back to Jobs and Educational YouTube channel. Here the first question is the mass of a body at the center of earth. This is the earth and at the center of the earth the mass of a body. Suppose here the body is there, then its mass will be. It's a basic question and the answer will be remains constant. At the center of the earth any body's mass will be remains constant as it is on the earth. Suppose here the mass will be m, at the center also the mass will be m. It does not change with the position according to the earth. Let's see the next question. Here the question is the maximum velocity of a particle executing simple harmonic motion. Suppose this is a simple harmonic motion. The maximum velocity of particle with an amplitude 7 mm is 4.4 meter per second. The period of oscillation. A body undergoing simple harmonic motion with an amplitude 7 meter has velocity 4.4 meter per second. He is asking the period of oscillations. Let's see the options. 0.01 seconds, 0.1 seconds, 10 seconds, 100 seconds. Let's see the answer. Here for a simple harmonic motion, x equals to a sin omega t plus pi. Remember this equation. X equals to a sin omega t plus pi. Velocity v equals to, we know that change in displacement, dx by dt, means aw cos omega t plus pi. For x, a sin omega t plus pi. For v, aw or a w cos omega t plus pi. So here for v max, that is equals to a omega. For v max it will be a omega, means at maximum what, cos 90. Suppose this angle will be 90, so cos 90 value 0, so it will be a omega, sorry, cos 0, and cos 0 value will be 1 into a omega will be a omega. So he given that 4.4 equals to 7 into 10 to the power of minus 3. He given that amplitude 7 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and omega is nothing but 2 pi by t. So from this 4.4 equals 7 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 2 pi by t, will get t equals to 9.99 into 10 to the power of minus 3, which is nothing but 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3, nothing but 0.01 seconds. The answer will be 0.01 seconds. 0.01 seconds. Option 1 is correct. Next question. In a simple harmonic oscillator at the mean position, what will be? Let's see the options. Both Ke and Pe are minimum. Ke is maximum, Pe is minimum. Ke is minimum, Pe is maximum. Both Ke and Pe are maximum. Both will be minimum, or both will be maximum, or one will be minimum and one will be max, or one will be minimum or one will be max. In a simple harmonic oscillator at the mean position, Ke is max and Pe is minimum. In a simple harmonic oscillator at mean position, Ke will be, kinetic energy will be max and potential energy will be minimum. Remember this. Remember one, Ke will be maximum. It's enough. Ke will be maximum means automatically Pe will be minimum at mean position. Next question. The intensity of sound produced by thunder is 0.1 Weber per meter square. Means intensity of sound produced by thunder 0.1 Weber per meter square. He is asking intensity level in decibels. He is asking that the sound's intensity level in decibels. It is nearly or equals to 110 decibels. It will be nearly or equals to 110 decibels. So option A is correct. If a sound produced with an intensity of 0.1 Weber per meter square, the intensity level in decibels will be 110 decibels. Remember this answer. Here he given that a classroom has dimensions 20 into 15 into 5 meter cube. Suppose this is a classroom. Assume cuboid. 20, height will be 15 and thickness will be 5 meter cube. The reverberation time is 3.5 seconds. Time equals to TR, 3.5 seconds. Is asking the average absorption coefficient. Is asking for average absorption coefficient. Let's see the options. 0.05, 0.09, 0.03, 0.07. Let's see the answer. Here time equals to 0.161 V. Summation of alpha s. Summation of alpha s will be our coefficient. Coefficient will be 0.161. V is nothing but volume 20 into 15 into 5 he given meter cube, and time he given as 3.5 seconds. That will be equals to 69. The surface areas of the walls, ceiling and floor of the room. The surface area of the walls, ceiling and floor of the room equals to 2 into 20 into 15 plus 15 into 5 plus 5 into 20, means 20 into 15, 15 into 5 plus 5 into 20 into 2, because is calculating the surface area of the wall, ceiling and floor of the room. This is the surface area, meter square. So average, coefficient average will be 69. We got the 69 by surface area, that is equal to 69 by 950, which is nothing but 0.07. The average absorption coefficient will be 0.07. First we need to find the summation of alpha s. We will get 69. After that find the surface area and divide the 69 with that surface area. You will get alpha average, nothing but average absorption coefficient 0.07. Let's see the next question. Here the question reads, which of the following is not a characteristics of musical sound? Musical sound యొక్క characteristics కాంది ఏంటి? He is asking for the characteristic which is not of a musical sound. Pitch, loudness, frequency, quality. For a musical sound, the characteristics frequency will not be there. For a sound, there will be no frequency. It's not a characteristics of musical sound. So option 3 is correct, frequency. Let's see the next question. In a simple harmonic motion, see, on simple harmonic motions the questions are repeated, so prepare well in the simple harmonic motion. The particle is always accelerated, alternately accelerated and retarded, always retarded, neither accelerated nor retarded. In a simple harmonic motion, the particle will be, how the particle will be, he is asking. Alternately accelerated and retarded. In a simple harmonic motion, the particle will be alternately accelerated and retarded. Accelerated and retarded means alternately accelerated and retarded is the option 2 is correct. Let's see the next question. 100 grams of water is heated from 30 degrees to 50 degrees. T1 equals to 30 degrees at initial state. It is heated to T2, that is equals to 50 degrees centigrade. Ignoring the slight expansion of water, the change in its internal energy. Ignore the slight expansion of water and find the change in internal energy. Assume specific heat of water is 4200 joule per kg Kelvin. Specific heat of water is 4200 joule per kg Kelvin. So is asking to find the change in internal energy. Let's see the options. 4.2 kilojoules, 84 kilojoules, 2.1 kilojoules, 8.4 kilojoules. Let's see the answer. As work done equals to 0. We know the formula. The work done equals to PdV, or change in volume, where change in volume equals 0 and work done equals 0. And delta U, internal energy, mc delta T. M, given mass of water is 100, and C, 10 to the power of minus 3, and delta T 41814. See 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3 value M, and 4184 is the C value, constant value, and delta T means 50, T2 minus T1, 50 minus 3, 30, 8.4 kilojoules. So change in internal energy equals to mc delta T. He given mass as 100, converting into kgs, and C value, constant value 4184 or 4000, into delta T is nothing but T2 minus T1. By multiplying these three values, you will get 8.4 kilojoules. Change in internal energy is equals to 8.4 kilojoules. Change in internal energy equals to, remember the formula, mc delta T. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is correct? He given 4 options and is asking which of the following is correct. T1 by H1 plus T2 by H1 equals to 0, or H1 by T1 equals to H2 by T2. H1 T1 equals to H2 T2. H1 T1 plus H2 T2 equals to 0. The option 2 is correct. Option 2. H1 by T1 equals to H2 by T2. Option 2 is correct. Remember this answer. An ideal gas in a cylinder is compressed adiabatically. Remember this is very important. Adiabatically to 1/3 its original volume. Suppose V1 equals to V, then V2 equals to V by 3 or V1 by 3. During the process 50 joules of work done equals to 50 joules by compressing agent. The change in internal energy of the gas in the process. Change in internal energy of gas in the process. When adiabatic process is done, we know that dq equals to du plus dw. In adiabatic process, what is 0? dq equals to 0. du equals to minus dw. Then du equals to minus dw means du will be same, 50 joules. So therefore the answer will be 50 joules. Option 1 is correct. For a light wave to undergo total internal reflection, see total internal reflection questions also repeated, so focus on it. TIR, total internal reflection. For a light wave to undergo total internal reflection, IC is critical angle and I is incident angle. So to undergo a total internal reflection, the light wave should move from rarer to denser medium, move from denser to rarer medium, or rarer to denser medium, or denser to rarer medium. When and this, see, light moves from rarer to denser medium and one condition is given: incident angle is greater than critical angle. Same rarer to denser medium, incident angle is less than critical angle. Next, denser to rarer medium, incident angle is greater than critical angle, and denser to rarer medium, incident angle is less than critical angle. Means you should see rarer to denser or denser to rarer, and you should find that choose any one option, and you should find which angle should be greater. So the option light moves from denser to rarer means it moves from denser to rarer. We have two options, 2 and 4. But which angle is more? Incident angle will be more than critical angle. Means option 2 is correct. Light moves from denser to rarer medium and I greater than IC. When this condition is possible, the light wave undergo total internal reflection. Any light wave to undergo total internal reflection, the light should move from denser to rarer medium, as well as incident angle should be greater than critical angle. Thank you.